If you are a Pokemon Go player, you need to see this. In today's video, I will be showing you how to spoof your location in Pokemon Go with the Pokemon Scanner feature, which literally finds you hundreds of Pokemons while spoofing your location on any iOS device. Wanna catch more rare Pokemon in Pokemon Go or find hundreds of Pokemons and more? What if I told you there is a secret method to find shinies, join 5-star raids, the max Pokemon, and dominate your Pokédex all from home? The tool that we will be using in today's video is iMyPhone Any2. Any2 is a professional location spoofer that makes it super easy to change your current location and pretend to be somewhere else. It offers the Pokemon Go scanner feature, which literally finds you hundreds of Pokemon while spoofing your location. One of the features I like is the joystick feature. It's perfect for Pokemon Go players and other games like Monster Hunter Now and all games that based on the GPS of your device. Now I'm gonna show you how to download, install, and how to use the software. First, go to the official website of the software, which is iMyPhone Any2, and as you see, this is the software. iMyPhone Any2, it's one of the best free location changer for iPhone and Android. This software provides an app version that doesn't require a computer. One click change GPS location on iPhone, Android, simulate GPS movement safely, customize routes and speeds, work with location-based apps, and many more. If you scroll down here, you can find more about the software and see its features and how to use it. Okay, hit the download button to download Any2 for free. The software is now downloading. The download has completed. After downloading the software, go ahead and open it. Now open this to install Any2 software. Okay, here hit the agree button and then hit install. I've already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing it, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. Okay, go ahead and click get started. Here it will ask you to connect to your device. If you are using an iOS device, you can connect it via Wi-Fi, but I recommend you to use USB cable for better connection. I will connect my iPhone via USB cable. Okay, this is it. Click OK. Here choose the mode you want to use. If you want to use the software for games, select game mode, and for the other social apps, use universal mode. I will use game mode. Here select the connection method. You can use via Bluetooth or via USB and Wi-Fi. I will use via USB and Wi-Fi. Okay, now the software will show you your current location. Okay, click skip. Here install Pogo Assistant. I've already installed it. Okay, now the software will show you your current location. Okay, now I'm gonna use iOS screen sharing to show my iOS device on my Mac. Okay, this is my iPhone. Now how to change your location? It's very simple. You can use Any2 software to change and fake your location easily with just one click. Just select any location you want on the map and your location will be there as you see. The software will do the job. Okay, I will change my location again to another location, and that's it. Pretty simple and easy. Any2 software provides many useful features like teleport mode, jump teleport mode, 2-spot mode, multi-spot mode, and joystick. I'm gonna show you how to use some of these features. Here we have teleport mode. With it you can change your current location to any place you want as we did previously. With jump teleport mode you can customize the jumping teleport route. You can teleport to multiple locations in a row, making it easy to go anywhere. It's a good feature to jump to other location without actually moving, as you see. Just select a location on the map and jump directly to that place without moving. With 2-spot mode you can set the start and end points on the map, and this will help you move at a specific speed. With this feature you can change the GPS movement trace on the device when using location-based apps such as LBS games, fitness apps, and more. You can from here change the mode from walking to bicycle to car. Also, you can change the speed as you want. Once you select and edit the route you want, just click move and then the GPS will move according to the planned route as you see. It's just like that. These features makes it really easy to change your location the way you want. One of the features I like is the joystick feature. It's perfect for Pokemon Go players and other games like Monster Hunter Now and all games that based on the GPS of your device. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the features for Pokemon Go. The Pokemon Go scanner feature literally finds you hundreds of Pokemon while spoofing your current location on any iOS device. So guys, the best location to find Pokemons is to go to Taiwan, so make sure to teleport to this location. Now if we go and click on this Pokemon scanner option, you will be able to see all of the Pokemons that are available in your location. Just click generate route and boom, just take a look at this. Hundreds of Pokemons can be scanned using the Pokemon Go scanner feature. With it, you'll be able to find all the Pokemons that are available near you, including even shiny Pokemons. If you are lucky, you will be able to teleport to them in just a single click. Just go and click on the Go button. After clicking on Start to Modify, then you will be able to catch any Pokemon and add it to yours. Also, you can complete routes and earn more game rewards. With D-Max Pokemon mode, you can locate nearby Dynamax Pokemon, then tap on the Pokemon icon to view this giant Pokemon. By clicking the Go button, you can navigate to the location to catch Dynamax and Gigantamax Pokemon easily. Any tool will automatically scan within a 5-kilometer radius to detect all available Pokemons. Here you can also search for a specific Pokemon's location, raid battle, and task information and access it with one click. It's that simple. And guys, guess what? Right now, Any2 is running a special Go Fest event. Just share your favorite coordinates on their website and you will get SVIP, which means you can use all the advanced features for free. You will also have a chance to win Go Fest global tickets, Pokecoins, and even a lifetime Any2 license. I already joined. Check the link in the description to join too. So how to join? It's simple. Just go to the giveaway page, then scroll all the way down here. Now here first, make sure to read the rules. Here write your coordinates. Here write your reasons to recommend. Here write what they should call you, trainer, player, etc. Here write your email account. It must be the same email you registered with. Once you fill all this information, just click submit. All submissions will be reviewed by Any2 team. Rewards will be issued to your account within 48 hours upon approval. Shared coordinates will also be regularly displayed on this event page. So make sure to join as soon as possible from the link below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.